Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add account code in Xero. So what you want to do is just click here on accounting and then go to advanced. When you're going to do it, you want to click on charts of accounts, and right here you just want to simply add account, and then you need to choose account type, like what kind of account type that you want. Like assets or equity or expenses, liabilities. You just add here the code, name of it. The code needs to be unique and you can create it. So name, text, show on dashboard watch list. You can also like show it in expense claims and enable payments to this account and just like click save. And this is how you can add an account code in Xero. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.